How to see profile views on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to see the number of people who viewed your Instagram account, then you can see it, but you cannot see the name of the people who have viewed your Instagram account. So, in order to do that, what you're gonna do is first open Instagram on your device, then go to your profile. Now, you must keep one thing in mind that you can only see the number of people who viewed your Instagram account in professional mode. So, if your Instagram is in normal mode, then you cannot see it. And in order to change it, what you're gonna do is in the top right corner, you can see a three bar option. Go there, and then in search you have to search switch and then click on the first option that comes. So since my account is already in professional mode, I cannot show you how it is done. So you just have to search for switch and then go to the first option that comes. Now if you're after you are in professional mode, what you're gonna do is from settings and activity, scroll a bit down, and over here you can see the option which says for professionals. Go to the first option which says insights. Now, since I have just turned on my professional mode, I cannot see it clearly, but after some time, from here you can see the number of views, interaction, and your total followers. So this is how you can see number of profile views on your Instagram. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and then see you in the next video.